Here are 3 valuable tips on choosing the best guitar book for beginners to help you enjoy the learning of playing the guitar to the fullest. So let's jump straight in. Okay, so number 1, setting realistic goals. Whether you're learning a specific song, mastering a specific technique, or just improving your outlook. Having clear goals will have a sense of direction and purpose. I guess without learning goals and having challenges, you can easily start to lose motivation. So ultimately, we want a book that's going to challenge us, set goals so we know where we are in our learning journey and are we progressing, so we have something that measures progress. And once we start to see progress and results, we get more motivated to do more. And that's very true. 2, learning songs that you love. Learning songs that you know will keep you engaged and excited. Starting with the simplest of songs and then progressing gradually up to more challenging ones. And remember, the key is to enjoy the process and just playing music that you ultimately love. 3, get inspired. Seek a book that inspires you and challenges you. Engaging with inspiring and helpful resources will enhance the enjoyment and the process of learning. Okay, if you or your child or grandchild is starting to learn guitar, but yet have to find a teacher and just searching for that perfect book to get you off the ground, I have this book, Guitar Star in 30 Days. It is full of bright colours, which not all books seem to be on Amazon. We have tick-off goals and alternative ways to think and learn and stay motivated. Inside the book are online files and additional videos that you can download which accompany the book. I have also included my email address for any additional support you may need. When you purchase this book, you don't just purchase a book, you join a community and a family. You join the David Aldridge Guitar School family. And with that, you get a lifetime support from me on your journey of learning how to play guitar. A lot of extra value is added alongside this book, and you can be excited to show your family and friends with all the colourful pictures inside. In the book, I'm teaching you how to enjoy learning the guitar, and that starts by helping you achieve the things that matter to you in your playing. It lets you embrace the power of positive thinking and believe in yourself and your abilities right from the beginning. We approach each session with a positive mindset, focusing on your strengths and the progress you have made already. We meet you where you're at. In Guitar Star Adventure, we acknowledge and celebrate your achievements. No matter how small they may seem, we celebrate them. Whether playing a simple melody flawlessly or memorizing a new chord, every step forward is a reason to just be really proud of yourself. By celebrating these small victories, you'll maintain positive momentum and stay highly motivated through your learning journey. Here's a quick introduction. I'm David Aldridge, and I'm the founder of David Aldridge Guitar Schools and author and course creator of Guitar Star in 30 Days. I help boost your confidence one note, one song and lesson at a time, to set you on the path to learn long-term success and develop a positive self-image. What I've noticed about people who succeed at guitar is that they get excited. So let's imagine holding your instrument for the first time and that wave of excitement that just washes over you. The possibilities just seem endless, and you can't wait to just embark on this musical guitar adventure. I see students who grow in confidence as they gain mastery over the guitar, and the confidence soars. You feel a sense of accomplishment, knowing how far you have come on the early days of this uncertainty of learning. This newfound confidence extends beyond the musical instruments and positively impacts all the other areas of your life. This is possible for you. And by learning the guitar, it's not just about acquiring skills. It's a transformative process. It's a transformative experience that evokes a whirlwind of emotions, from excitement to eagerness and to sometimes frustration. But ultimately, it always leads to joy and fulfillment. The journey of a beginner musician or guitarist is a testament to the power of dedication and perseverance. These are some of the qualities that I have seen in my 22 years of teaching literally thousands of students, and how it impacts the community and the family. Today, I invite you to come and join a community of thousands of growing people, children who feel like they matter. And let me, David, be your teacher and help you embark on this exciting adventure together. You can find your copy of Guitar Star in 30 Days in the description below. I honour you for being here today and having this commitment. I'm David, and let's go and make our difference in the world. See you soon.